Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rubal Bhatia Mathematics. In this video, we will be solving further questions of chapter 1 real numbers for CBSE board. If you haven't watched the video which contains questions up till 8 that are MCQs question based on the latest circular issued by CBSE in July 2021, please do watch it and let me know about your feedback in the comment section given below. Now let's get started. Now the question 9th is HCF of two number is 113. HCF is given by 113 and the LCM is 56952. LCM is 56952 and 2. If one number is 904, we need to find other number. Apply HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. HCF is given by 113, LCM is 56952, product of two numbers, that is first number into second number. One number is 904 and second number. So second number is given by 113 into 56952 divided by 904. 3 8s are 24. Let us check. 113 into 8. 8 3s are 24. 2 8 into 1 8 plus 2 10. 8 into 1 8 plus 1 904 8. Now divide it. 8 7s are 56. 8 1s are 8. 15 8 1s are 8. 72 9. So the second number is 7119. Now let's check the options. 7 1 1 and 9. So the answer for 9th is option B. Now next question is question 10. Now the next question is, for what least value of n natural number 24 power n is divisible by 8? For what least value of n? natural number है 24. 24 के first of all form the factors. Prime factorization 2 12 2 6 2 3 3 and 1. So it is given written as 2 power 3 into 3 power 1. It's n. We need to find divisible by 8. So write 2 की power 3 as 8 into 3. 8 power n into 3 power n. Question is, what least value of n? Least value का मीनिंग है सबसे छोटी वैल्यू n की क्या होनी चाहिए. n की सबसे छोटी वैल्यू पुट करते हैं. 1 पुट करके देखते हैं. नेचुरल नंबर है तो नेचुरल नंबर की स्टार्टिंग 1 से होती है, तो पुट करते हैं n को 1, तो ये हो जाएगा 8 into 3. Yes, this number is divisible by 8. So the answer is, the least value is n is equal to 1. So the answer is A option. A option, that is n is equal to 1. Now the next question is the HCF of 306 and 1314. Write the bigger number inside and 306. Solve it by Euclid division algorithm or long division method. 306 into 4. 6 into 4 24. 4 into 3 12. 0 11 minus 2 9. Write 306 90 into 3, that is 270. Again 90, 36 twos are 72. 18 into 2, that is 36. Now it is completely divisible, so the HCF is 18. The HCF is given by 18. So let's check from the options. That is option D, 18. Now the 12th question is the decimal fraction of 15 by 4 plus 5 by 40. Decimal fraction, first of all take LCM. 4 into 10, 15 into 10, 150 plus 5, that is 155 by 40. Multiply numerator and denominator by 25. 40 into 25, 4 into 25, 100, that is 1000. Now on multiplying 155 by 25, 5 into 5, 25, 2 carry, 25 plus 2, 27, 5 plus 2, 7, 10. 3, 8, 7, 5. Now arrange point, 3 digits, 3.875. The answer is 3.875, that is option C. Now the next question is the decimal expansion of the rational number. This will terminate after 14587 by 1250. ये कितने कब टर्मिनेट होगा, कितने डिजिट्स के बाद ये टर्मिनेट होगा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फॉर्म द फैक्टर्स ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर. 2, 6 to 5, 5, that is 125, 525, 5, 5, 5, 1. 2 की पावर 1, 2 is 1 time, 5 is 4 times, so 5 power 4. The decimal expansion of the rational number will terminate after. कितने digits बाद वो terminate होगा? सिर्फ डिनोमिनेटर की हाईएस्ट पावर चेक करनी है. यहाँ पे 2 की पावर 1 है और 5 की पावर 4 है, तो हाईएस्ट 1 और 4 में ऑब्वियसली क्या है? 4 है. हाईएस्ट पावर है 4, so the answer is 4. There is no need to solve the question completely, just check the highest power कि highest power कौन सी होगी. highest power 4 है, तो हमने इसका आंसर 4 लिख देंगे. So that is 4 decimal place, option D. Now the next question is the HCF of two numbers is 2. HCF दो numbers का है 2 and LCM is given by 27. What is the value of A and B? HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers and the numbers are A into B. Now substitute value. For HCF write 2, for LCM write 27. AB, the value of A into B is 2 into 27, that is 54. Now check the option, that is B part, 54. Now question 15. The decimal expansion of the rational number 27 by 125 is. First of all, form the prime factorization of the denominator. 5, 25, 5, 5, 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 5 की पावर 3. Since it is 5 power 3, for making 10, multiplied by 2 power 3 and 2 power 3. 2 cube is 8. 5 into 2, 10. 7 8s are 56, 5 carry, 8 to the 16 plus 5, 216 by 1000. It is written as 0.216. So the answer for 15th is 0.216, that is E option. Now next question is the HCF of 3 power 3 into 5 and 3 power 2 into 5 की power 2. For HCF के लिए हम smallest value देखते हैं, smallest power देखते हैं. 3 और 2 में smallest power है 2. We will write it as 3 power 2. और इधर 5 में है 5 power 1. So write 3 का square, that is 3 into 9 is 9 into 5, that is 45. So the option is D option. Now 17th question. If HCF of 18 and 72 is 18, find the LCM. By the same process as solved before, HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. HCF is written as 18, LCM we don't know, product of two numbers, that is 18 into 72, cancel 18 and 18 and we get the LCM 72. That is B option. Next 18th, if the HCF of two numbers is 1, then the two numbers are called, अगर HCF 1 है, अगर HCF 1 है, it means the two numbers have nothing in common except 1. उनमें कुछ भी common नहीं है. जब कुछ भी common नहीं है, then the both numbers are prime numbers. Then two prime numbers are called as co-primes. That is co-primes. अगर दो numbers का HCF 1 है, then the two numbers are called co-primes. Now we will be solving further questions, that is these questions, in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Don't forget to like the video and give your feedback in the comment section given below. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.